talking about VRL logistics, why it was VRL? It's Vijay Anand Road Lines. When I was 1 year, my father, he comes out of a family business from a publication which he was doing with my grandfather and my uncles, printing of textbook, dictionary and guides and all. So BG Sankeshwar and Company, more than 80 years established in Gadag. So in 76, when he comes out of a family business with one truck, that time my dad was 26-year boy, and he has to face a lot of challenges, hurdles. 78, he added another second truck, and in the trailer, I'm sure most of our friends might have seen here some kind of there is a fight happening there. This all what we have shown is 99% happened in the real lifetime. 99% are the real lifetime. 1% they have taken cinematic liberty. So which songs and all have they have done. So until 1991, 92, there used to be about 120 vehicles. 91 onwards, I too joined my father's business when I was 16 years. And 96, my father, he became a member of parliament. 3 times he was a MP from Dharwad North constituency. Later on, in 1999, we started a newspaper which was made number 1 in 40 months, crossing 5 lakh circulation, which no existing media friends over there, publication owners had not explored the market. Those days, I'm talking 1999. So there was a limited circulation of 2 to 3 lakh. Unlike over here, like what we see, the readership, Andhra Pradesh, Telangana, Tamil Nadu, Kerala. So it was like, standstill water. Then 2006, there's a situation comes, we have to exit that business, we have to sell that business. Entire business was sold. There was a non-compete clause for 5 years, and when the non-compete clause got over in 2011, 2012 we come out with a newspaper called Vijayvani, which we made again number 1 in just 24 months. In 2 years, we made it number 1, and followed by 2015. We had an IPO, initial public offerings, IPO shares we launched in logistics. The IPO issue size was less than 500 crores, which we call in share market mid-size corporate kind of a company. So with brand goodwill of VRL, the IPO was oversubscribed 74 times, and the investment came from all the investor circle, finance friends. It was more than 35,000 crores in the company, 2015. So the film over here, what you see, it's up to 2015, 2016, the story has been captured. And this being, if you talk on logistics and transport, even today, more than 80% in Indian road transport, surface road transport, it is still considered as an unorganized sector. If you, any of friends sitting over here, you just randomly you go to a transport area, how you yourself will witness how it is been done. So in such a kind of a situation where commendable job where my dad has contributed for an logistics space in terms of systems and discipline what he has brought in. And this was company was built totally on the moral of ethics, completely ethically built up company. And there were a lot of demand for so many customers. We have about a wide range of more than 7 lakhs customers in our logistics, which who have transacted with the company in last 6 months. Before GST came in 2017, our customer scale was less than 48,000. Less than 48,000. Today, in 5-year time, from 48,000, it has grown to 7 lakh customers. FMCG, agriculture products, industrial goods, textiles, garments, food, pharmaceutical, medicines, agarbatti, footwear, fruits, dry fruits, all these kind of per day we handle more than 10,000 metric ton. We connect 1,050 branches all over the country. From Kashmir to Kanyakumari, we operate more than 1,050 branches. In Chennai, proper Chennai, we have our offices in 27 locations. In Tamil Nadu, we have about more than 150 places our presence. And more than 20,000 our employee strength, where their contribution also is much appreciable and commendable to in building up the company. And this being again a very challenging industry, like if you look at the attrition level in the industry, in logistics space, attrition means the person joining the company and leaving again and again. Industry standard follows more than 23%, whereas in VRL it is less than 1%. Less than 1%. Once the person joins here, almost retire. We don't have retirement policy here, but until and unless he or she can work, they can work here comfortably. That is what we give the comfort zone. That's how the employer and employee relation is there in our company. And coming on to film, Rishika Madam, director, and Nihal ji, they approached during a COVID period. About 30 months back, they met my father in Bangalore, and their meeting was just precisely scheduled for 30 minutes, which went more than 8 hours. So they had come full prepared on the script, and they were able to convince my dad on the script, and this is what we are going to come in. And same time, as I already mentioned, there is a lot of demand for writing a book, a biography on my dad, 100 page, 200 page. But we felt when they have approached, and we felt why not make a movie, only inspirational movie, so that this will be even uneducated will have they can see the movie. And with this, I conclude my few words. I once again thank you, and our Mr. Manoj is here from UFO. They are our distributors, and our lyrics Madhur Kavi, Mr. Madhur Kavi, who has written the lyrics in Tamil, and this was only first started with Kannada version. And when we were shooting in Ramoji Film City, Hyderabad, there how it all started, like again Telugu, Tamil, Malayalam, and then later on again why not Hindi? So that's how Hindi was also added. And our dear friend Mr. Gopi Sundar, who has given the music for the movie, and all the star cast sitting over here, Mr. Nihal, Mr. Bharat Bopanna, my duplicate, and Miss Siri Pilat, they have contributed. They have done an extremely good job. We had seen the movie, how it has been done, and we are quite happy about the movie. So thank you one and all. Thank you.